Hi, Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. For those who like to draw in the MIDI editor, there is a little trick to stay in key I want to show you today. Let's say I want to stay in F minor. Well, to stay in a minor mode, first we need to have all the white keys starting from A. Then we transpose them up to get to an F. In this way we have the notes that belong to the scale of F minor. Afterwards, we can copy these notes up and down few octaves. Now, if you move them back once, they are actually out of the MIDI clip. And they don't get played when you launch the clip. But when you press fold, these notes are going to stick, and we are gonna get rid of the ones that don't belong to the scale. In this way, anything we played is going to stay in key. Also, with this trick, we are losing the chance to play off the scale notes, which is something we usually use to create tension in harmony. So this trick is mainly for those who don't have a musical education and want their productions to stay in key. To stay in key is not a must, but again, for beginners we encourage to do so. Hope you find this trick useful, and see you in the next one.